Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This video is just a preview of my next tutorial. It's a website design and it's actually for Nike, so let me show you. Here's the product page. On top we have navigation. The logo is on the left side, the navigation in the middle, or 60% of the website, and on the right side there is a search bar. The product name is Fog 2.0, and here is the product itself in the left column. In the right column there is a pinkish background and a polygon, a dark gray polygon, and this is just background which is white. It's a basic tutorial for beginners. I just want to show you, and let me know whether you like it or not, this type of tutorials like website, product page, landing page, or complete website. Anyway, it should be ready by tomorrow, so see you then.